Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but I'm getting back into the swing of things after the holidays, and I know a lot of you probably have a New Year's resolution of doing your own nails at home. So I just wanted to create an ultimate guide for you doing your at-home manicures so they come out perfect every time and last at least 2 weeks. So before I jump in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more nail videos coming your way. So the first and most important thing you can do is to prep your nails. When I first started doing my at-home manicures, I'd hear about nail prep and I was like, yeah, whatever. I don't have time for that. But once I actually started doing it, I noticed my nails would last so much longer, and I'm talking weeks longer, so don't skip on this. The first thing I'm doing is taking away the cuticle from my nails. So to do that, I'm putting on this cuticle remover and pushing my nails back and then scooping out that dead skin. And as always, everything I'm using I will link in the description below. And here's that process a little closer up. Next, I'm taking this pH bond by the brand Jealous to just dehydrate my nails and take away any of the oils on top of my nails so they will stay on. Next, I'm going in with nail primer. This is from the brand Model 1s. Nail primer is essentially like a double-sided tape that sticks to your nails in the polish, and it keeps your manicures on for longer. After primer, you can go ahead and apply a base coat and cure. I didn't film this process because I was rebuilding that middle fingernail, so if you want to know how I do my hard gel extensions, I can make a video on that. Just let me know in the comments. But now we're ready to paint. So my first tip on painting your gel nails is to keep your layers thin. So that might mean painting on 3 coats to get to opacity, but thinner layers equal less lifting because the gel has an opportunity to cure all the way. And that leads me into my next tip, which is to never get gel on your skin before you cure it. It can lead to a gel allergy, and then you're going to have to stop doing your nails altogether, and none of us want that. So if you do get some gel on your skin, don't panic. Just grab a flat brush, dip it into some alcohol, and then wipe it away. And of course, make sure you cure between each coat. If you want that perfect manicure look, use a tiny detail brush to get that polish closer to the sidewalls and closer to your cuticles like so. Once you're happy with how your nails look, it's time to top coat them. Today I'm going to use a matte top coat. Just don't forget to cap the edges to make sure your nails don't chip. And this is how mine turned out. Let me know if you use any of these tips in your next manicure, and I couldn't resist showing you all. I added some more details for this Christmas mani from a few weeks ago. I am obsessed with the green and gold combo. Make sure you all like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!